Law of attraction. The whole universe is working in your favor. The law of attraction suggests that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. According to this principle, one can manifest their desires through the power of their thoughts and intentions. The idea is that by focusing on positive thoughts and visualizing desired outcomes, individuals can attract those things into their lives. Advocates of the law of attraction often suggest practices like affirmations, visualization, and gratitude exercises to help align one's thoughts and feelings with their goals. However, it's important to note that the law of attraction is a controversial concept, and its effectiveness is a matter of debate. While some people swear by it and claim to have experienced significant positive changes in their lives as a result, others criticize it for lacking scientific evidence and for potentially promoting a mindset of entitlement or victim blaming. Ultimately, whether or not the law of attraction works for you may depend on your beliefs, mindset, and actions. While maintaining a positive attitude and focusing on goals can certainly be beneficial, it's also essential to take practical steps toward achieving those goals and to recognize that not everything is within our control. The idea behind this statement, "The whole universe is working in your favor," in the context of the law of attraction is that when you align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with positivity and abundance, the universe will conspire to bring about circumstances and opportunities that support your desires and goals. Proponents of the law of attraction believe that the universe is a vast and interconnected network of energy, and our thoughts and emotions are like magnets that attract similar energy vibrations. Therefore, when you maintain a positive mindset, express gratitude, and visualize your desires as if they've already manifested, you're sending out powerful signals to the universe. In response, the universe orchestrates events, synchronicities, and resources to manifest those desires into reality. This perspective encourages individuals to cultivate optimism, confidence, and a sense of abundance, as they believe that doing so will naturally draw positive experiences and outcomes into their lives. However, it's essential to approach this concept with a balanced perspective. While maintaining a positive outlook and taking inspired action can certainly lead to favorable outcomes, it's also important to acknowledge the role of external factors, personal effort, and sometimes even setbacks in the pursuit of goals. The law of attraction is just one lens through which people interpret and navigate their experiences, and its effectiveness can vary from person to person. Here are 6 principles often associated with the idea that the whole universe is working in your favor within the context of the law of attraction. Positive thinking is a mindset characterized by focusing on the bright side of life, expecting favorable outcomes, and maintaining an optimistic outlook even in challenging situations. It involves consciously directing your thoughts towards constructive and uplifting perspectives rather than dwelling on negativity or pessimism. In the context of the law of attraction, positive thinking is considered a fundamental principle for manifesting desires. Advocates of the law of attraction believe that positive thoughts attract positive experiences, while negative thoughts attract negative ones. Therefore, cultivating a habit of positive thinking is believed to align your energy with the things you want to manifest, ultimately attracting more of those positive experiences into your life. Positive thinking doesn't mean ignoring or denying problems or challenges. Instead, it involves approaching them with a proactive and hopeful attitude, seeking solutions, and focusing on what can be learned or gained from difficult situations. It's about recognizing your own power to choose your perspective and attitude, even when circumstances may seem bleak. Practicing positive thinking can have numerous benefits beyond the realm of manifestation, including improved mental and emotional well-being, reduced stress, enhanced resilience, and stronger relationships. It's a skill that can be developed through mindfulness, gratitude practices, affirmations, surrounding oneself with supportive people, and consciously choosing to focus on the good in life. Visualization is a powerful technique used to create mental images of desired outcomes or experiences. It involves using the imagination to vividly picture oneself achieving a goal, experiencing success, or living the life one desires. Visualization is often employed as a tool for manifestation, particularly within the framework of the law of attraction. In the context of the law of attraction, visualization is believed to be effective because it helps align one's thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with the desired outcome. By repeatedly visualizing a goal as already achieved, individuals can send a clear message to their subconscious mind and the universe about what they want to manifest. This process can help enhance motivation, focus, and belief in the possibility of achieving the desired outcome. When practicing visualization, it's essential to engage all the senses to make the mental imagery as vivid and realistic as possible. This means not only seeing the desired outcome, but also imagining how it would feel, sound, smell, and even taste. The more detailed and immersive the visualization, the more powerful its impact may be. Many successful individuals, athletes, and performers use visualization techniques to enhance their performance and achieve their goals. By mentally rehearsing success and seeing themselves accomplishing their objectives, they can increase their confidence, reduce anxiety, and improve their actual performance when it comes time to take action. Visualization can be practiced through structured visualization exercises, meditation, or simply by setting aside quiet time to visualize goals and desired outcomes regularly. Combined with other techniques like positive affirmations and gratitude practices, visualization can be a potent tool for harnessing the power of the mind to manifest desired experiences and outcomes. Gratitude is the practice of acknowledging and appreciating the positive aspects of life, including the people, experiences, and blessings one receives. It involves focusing on what one has rather than what is lacking and cultivating a sense of thankfulness for the abundance present in one's life. In the context of the law of attraction, gratitude plays a crucial role in manifestation. By expressing gratitude for what one already has, individuals are believed to attract more positive experiences and blessings into their lives. This is because gratitude shifts one's focus from scarcity to abundance, signaling to the universe a readiness to receive more of what is desired. Practicing gratitude can take many forms, including keeping a gratitude journal, where one regularly writes down things they are thankful for, or simply taking a few moments each day to reflect on and express appreciation for the blessings in their life. It's not just about saying thank you, but truly feeling and embodying a sense of gratitude for the abundance present in one's life, no matter how small. Research has shown that cultivating gratitude has numerous benefits for mental, emotional, and physical well-being. It can lead to increased happiness, improved relationships, reduced stress, and enhanced overall life satisfaction. Gratitude also fosters a positive outlook and resilience in the face of challenges, helping individuals maintain perspective and focus on what truly matters. In summary, gratitude is a powerful practice that aligns with the principles of the law of attraction by fostering a positive mindset and attracting more positivity into one's life. By regularly acknowledging and appreciating the blessings present, individuals can create a foundation of abundance from which to manifest their desires and cultivate a greater sense of fulfillment and joy. Belief and faith are central aspects of the law of attraction, influencing how individuals perceive their ability to manifest their desires and the extent to which they trust in the process of manifestation. Belief involves holding a strong conviction or acceptance that something is true or real. In the context of the law of attraction, it refers to believing in the power of thoughts and intentions to shape one's reality. Belief in the law of attraction means having confidence that your positive thoughts and emotions can attract corresponding positive outcomes and experiences into your life. Faith goes hand in hand with belief and involves trust or confidence in something without needing proof or evidence. In the context of the law of attraction, faith often relates to trusting in the universe or a higher power to support and fulfill your desires. It's about surrendering control and having faith that things will unfold in the right way and at the right time. Having unwavering belief and faith in the process of manifestation is crucial because doubt and skepticism can undermine the effectiveness of the law of attraction. When individuals doubt their ability to manifest their desires or question whether the universe will deliver, it creates resistance that can block the flow of positive energy and hinder the manifestation process. Belief and faith are cultivated through various practices, including affirmations, visualization, meditation, and observing synchronicities or signs that affirm the manifestation process. Surrounding oneself with supportive communities and mentors who share similar beliefs can also reinforce faith and belief in the law of attraction. Ultimately, belief and faith serve as catalysts for manifestation, empowering individuals to trust in their ability to create the life they desire and to remain open to receiving the abundance the universe has to offer. Taking inspired action is a key component of the law of attraction, emphasizing the importance of actively pursuing one's goals and desires with intention and purpose. While positive thinking and visualization are essential aspects of manifestation, they are most effective when coupled with tangible steps and actions towards achieving those goals. Inspired action refers to actions that are motivated by a sense of alignment with one's desires and inner guidance rather than fear, doubt, or external pressure. It involves listening to one's intuition and inner wisdom, and then taking steps that feel right and in alignment with one's vision. In the context of the law of attraction, taking inspired action is believed to signal to the universe a readiness to receive and manifest one's desires. It demonstrates a commitment and belief in the manifestation process and helps to bridge the gap between visualization and actualization. Inspired action may vary depending on the individual and their goals, but often involves setting clear intentions, clearly defining what you want to manifest and setting specific, achievable goals. Listening to intuition, tuning into your inner guidance system, and following your instincts about which actions to take. Taking consistent steps, breaking down goals into manageable tasks, and taking consistent, deliberate action towards their achievement. Staying open to opportunities, remaining open-minded and receptive to opportunities that arise, even if they may not align exactly with your initial plans. Trusting the process, having faith that taking inspired action will lead you closer to your goals, even if the path may not always be clear. By taking inspired action, individuals actively participate in the co-creation of their reality and align themselves with the flow of abundance and opportunity. It's about finding a balance between visualization and action, leveraging the power of intention and effort to manifest desired outcomes. Letting go of resistance is an essential principle in the practice of the law of attraction. It involves releasing negative emotions, limiting beliefs, and attachments that create barriers to the manifestation of desires. Resistance can manifest in various forms, such as fear, doubt, worry, or a sense of control. In the context of the law of attraction, resistance is believed to block the flow of positive energy and hinder the manifestation process. When individuals hold onto negative emotions or beliefs, they create energetic barriers that prevent the universe from delivering their desires. Resistance can also arise from trying to control or micromanage how desires manifest, rather than trusting in the universe's ability to orchestrate outcomes. Letting go of resistance involves several key practices. Identifying limiting beliefs, recognizing and acknowledging any beliefs or thought patterns that are holding you back from manifesting your desires. Releasing negative emotions, allowing yourself to feel and process negative emotions without attaching to them or allowing them to dictate your actions. Surrendering control, trusting in the process of manifestation and surrendering the need to control every aspect of how desires manifest. Practicing acceptance, accepting things as they are in the present moment, while also maintaining a vision of what you want to manifest in the future. Cultivating detachment, letting go of attachment to specific outcomes and being open to possibilities beyond what you may have imagined. By letting go of resistance, individuals create space for positive energy to flow freely and for manifestations to unfold naturally. It allows them to align more fully with the vibration of their desires and to trust in the universe's infinite possibilities for bringing those desires to fruition. These principles are often emphasized in law of attraction teachings as ways to harness the power of the universe and manifest your desires into reality. However, it's essential to approach these concepts with critical thinking and to recognize that individual experiences with the law of attraction can vary.